Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option on how to turn off or how to disable switch access in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. Where to look for our switches options and how to turn them off. First of all, we need to go to settings. In settings, we are looking for accessibility options menu. Next, we need to go to switch access. And here we have our switch. So we can turn it off. Yes, stop all tapping stop will stop switch access. Yes, we know that's what we are here for. And that's basically it. Now we can close our menus and go back to the home screen. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.